What's going on, guys? 𝗙𝗵𝗹𝗏𝗏 here, and this is my dog Mandy. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from your YouTube channel without actually having your face on camera. Want to say hi, Mandy? You want to do a trick for them? Yeah? Want to do a trick for them? Okay, guys, so if you're just getting started with YouTube and you want to make money from your channel, one of the easiest things is to put advertisement on your channel by signing up for the YouTube Partner Program. Unfortunately though, unless you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel won't be approved to run ads on your videos. So what can you do in the meantime to actually generate money from your YouTube channel? You know, sometimes it can take up to 3 or 4 months, even more, just to generate your first 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And so can you imagine just uploading videos for months after months without being able to generate an income from your channel? You know, it can be heartbreaking. You can be demotivated and just want to give up and try and do something else. So I'm here to tell you that you don't have to give up. There's an alternative which can be very lucrative as well, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to generate income from your YouTube channel starting from scratch, even if you are a beginner and have no experience whatsoever. The method that I'm about to show you is called affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's product or services in order to generate a commission. To give you an example, if you look on your screen, we can see on the left hand side, we have a guy, let's call him Jack. And in the middle, we have you as the affiliate, and on the right, we have a product. Now, the problem that Jack is having is that he suffers from back pain. But the product on the right, which is actually a digital product on ClickBank, is a product that solves back pain problems. Now, do you see the match? The thing is, Jack does not know about this back pain product, but you do. You as the affiliate know exactly which product is best for the back pain, and your job will be to align Jack with this product, and if Jack decides to pay for that product, you automatically get a commission. So basically, affiliate marketing in a nutshell is referral marketing. You refer high quality products to persons who are having problems, and those products are supposed to solve the problems that these people are having. So when these people purchase the product, you automatically generate a commission. Now, with your YouTube channel, your objective will be to create videos that answer specific questions that your prospects may be having, and then when they watch your video and you give them so much content, then you recommend a product that will give them the ultimate solution. Like the previous example where Jack is having a back problem, all you have to do is create a simple video to give Jack some tips on how we can alleviate his back problem. After which, you can then recommend the same product which is on ClickBank for Jack to use that product and completely get rid of his back problem. So your objective really with your YouTube channel is to create informative videos, upload them to YouTube and rank for specific keywords that your prospects are having. And then when they search for your videos and find the videos, then you recommend a specific product that will help them to solve their problem. Now, the good thing about this is that you do not need to have any subscribers for this to work, because when a person is having a problem, they just want the solution right away. They're not interested in whether or not you have subscribers or how big your channel is. As long as you provide quality content that will help your prospect, they will be willing to buy the solution that you are recommending. In order for this to work, there are 4 simple steps that you need to follow. I'm about to outline each of these steps, and then I'll go in a bit more details in each of the steps individually. Mandy, you want to outline the 4 steps for them? You want to outline the 4 steps? Okay, I guess I'll just do it. Alright, so step number 1, you need to find a good product to promote. It goes without saying that if you promote a crappy product, you're not going to last very long in this business. You want to promote high quality products that will actually help your prospects to achieve a certain result. Now, the product may not give them the complete solution that they are looking for, but at least the product should take them from point A to point B in their journey to finding the ultimate solution. And step number 2, you need to find the right keywords to rank your videos for. This is very important because if you go for ultra competitive keywords, your video just won't rank, and of course, you won't be able to generate any commissions, because if no one sees your video, then no one will be clicking on your affiliate links, and then no one will be purchasing the products through your link. And now we get to step number 3, which is creating your high converting videos without actually being on camera, of course. And then step number 4 will be to optimize those videos and rank them for the specific keywords that you're targeting. So we go to choosing the right product. Now, as I said, it is very important that you promote high quality products that will help your prospects to achieve a certain result. You never want to promote a product just for the sake of making a commission. Always put your prospect first and the commission will come. Promote products that you know will genuinely help them to achieve a certain result. The other thing is, when it comes to finding the right products to promote, is that you need to promote products that pays a good amount of commission, because the reality is it doesn't cost or take much more effort to promote a higher price product than it does for a lower cost product. And this is what a lot of affiliates don't know. Most affiliates tend to go for products that pays $10, $15, and $20, when in essence you could go for a product that pays at least $100 for the same amount of work that you'll do. So which would you rather? Would you rather to generate one sale and make $20, or would you rather to generate one sale and make $100, $200 or more? I'm pretty sure that you and I would agree that if you can put out the same amount of effort to generate one sale, you'd go for the sale that pays the higher commission. The next step is choosing the right keywords for your videos. As I said earlier, you want to target keywords that get a lot of searches, but they should not be too competitive. And the way you find these keywords is by using a YouTube keyword research tool. Now, my favorite keyword research tool is TubeBuddy. It is a paid tool, but they also have a free version, which is kind of limited, but it still gives you some amount of data so that it won't stop you from not getting started with your YouTube channel, because you can get a ton of information from the free version. So what you can do is go to TubeBuddy, and they have a tool that is called Keyword Explorer. You may want to type in a generic keyword relating to the product that you are promoting. So for example, if you were to promote the back pain product, you could type into TubeBuddy how to get rid of back pain, and then TubeBuddy will return some related keywords, and then you can click on these related keywords to find which of these keywords have the best chance of ranking on the first page for your specific channel. There's a link below this video in the description for all the tools and resources I mentioned in this video. So after you're done watching this video, you can check out the links to see the tools that you need to start and grow your YouTube channel, to make money from your channel, even without having a huge following. Now, the next step is creating your high converting videos. And this is the area where a lot of YouTubers or a lot of newbie marketers, fall short, because they think they have to be on camera to have a channel that generates a lot of money for them. But that is not necessarily the case. You don't have to be on camera to have a channel that you can use to generate an income online. What I like to use a video creation software that is known as Content Samurai. All you have to do is enter an article, and the software will turn that article into a video. And then you can make a few edits and then download the video and upload it to your channel. You don't have to be on camera. You don't even have to use your own voice. Now, in an upcoming video, I'll do a review of Content Samurai so that you can see exactly how it works and how you can get started with it as soon as possible. And the fourth and final step of the system is to rank your YouTube videos so that when your potential customer searches for the keywords that you are targeting, they'll find your video, they'll get the content that you're offering, and take action to sign up or purchase the affiliate products that you are promoting. So there you have it, folks. 4 steps to actually making money with a brand new YouTube channel without actually having your face on camera. Now, I know this video was just a basic overview video of these steps, and you probably need an over-the-shoulder training showing you step by step how to set up each step of the process. So check out the links in the description for some materials that will help you to take your YouTube growth to the next level. And if you have any question whatsoever, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, leave a comment and let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm from beautiful island of Jamaica, and I would love to know where you guys are from and watching this video. Also, let me know if you like my presentation style. I know there are a lot of YouTubers, so I'm really grateful that you take the time out to watch this video, and I'd like to really serve you and provide you with value and content that can help you to grow your business. So leave a comment and let me know if there's any way I can help you. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, if you like the video, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon notification, and I'll see you in the next video.